How to download and update Realtek HD Audio Driver on Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly right click on the Windows icon in the taskbar and go to Device Manager. In Device Manager, search for Sound, double click on it. After that, you will see the option of Realtek Audio. Double click on it again, go to Driver and check the date of your driver. After that, simply head to any one of the web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now in the web browser, simply search for Realtek. In the results at the top, you will see the official website of Realtek. Simply click on it. Once the website of Realtek opens, you simply need to click on the three lines at the top left corner. Simply a menu will appear. From that menu, go to Download, scroll down and go to Computer Peripheral ICS. Once you do, in the new page, you will see the version of Realtek audio drivers. Now you simply need to narrow down your category. So in Product, simply choose the option of Choose Subcategory. Go to PC Audio Codecs. After that, again you need to choose the category. So click on High Definition Audio Codecs. After that, you will see three options. Simply click at the top one, which is the latest one, ALC8885S. Then after, click on the software option beside it. Now in the next page, you simply need to search the type of driver which you want to download depending upon the system requirement. So according to my PC requirement, I will simply click on 64 bits Vista. Click on Download. Now in the next page, you need to agree with the terms and condition of the download. Simply click on I accept to above and click on Download this file. After that, shortly, once you insert this CAPTCHA code and click on Submit, the file will be start to download. After it has been downloaded, follow some online steps to set up the drive on your device. And after that, to check that the driver has been updated or not, you can simply go to Device Manager and search for the date again. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.